Welcome to the best pick. The best La Posay Roche is probably one of the most talked about sunscreens in the skincare world, and for good reason. Its reputation for effective sun protection and gentle formulas has made it a favorite among dermatologists and skincare enthusiasts alike. But is it really worth the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the La Posay Roche sunscreen, exploring its key features, benefits, and whether it lives up to its claims. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair UV SPF 30. This is a daily facial moisturizer with SPF 30. It's designed to provide moisturizing sun protection. It's also oil-free, making it suitable for various skin types. The formula includes niacinamide and glycerin. These ingredients work together to repair and hydrate your skin. It helps to restore the skin's natural barrier. This product combines the benefits of a moisturizer and sunscreen. It protects the skin from harmful UV rays. Use it daily for optimal results. The oil-free formula is gentle on the skin. It's suitable for sensitive skin types. It provides hydration without clogging pores. The product contains niacinamide and glycerin. These ingredients help to soothe and hydrate the skin. They also help to improve the skin's texture. It offers both hydration and sun protection in one product. It's a convenient way to care for your skin. It helps to keep your skin healthy and protected. What we like. This moisturizer offers double repair benefits, perfect for daily use. It provides SPF 30 protection, shielding your skin from harmful UV rays. If you have sensitive skin and need a daily moisturizer with sun protection, you should consider this. What people say. It hydrates my skin deeply and leaves it looking bright and healthy all day. It feels lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly. With this moisturizer, I feel confident stepping outside, skin looks even, feels protected, and there's no white cast or heavy sunscreen smell. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melt-in Milk SPF 60. Introducing a sunscreen that offers broad-spectrum protection. It shields your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. This product is designed to keep you safe under the sun. This sunscreen is versatile, suitable for both your body and face. Its gentle formula makes it ideal for daily use. You can apply it all over for comprehensive protection. Enriched with antioxidants, this sunscreen goes beyond sun protection. It helps to neutralize free radicals, protecting your skin from environmental damage. This helps keep your skin healthy. The formula is oil-free and incredibly lightweight. It won't feel heavy or greasy on your skin. It absorbs quickly, leaving a comfortable finish. This sunscreen is designed for fast absorption. You can apply it and quickly get on with your day. It provides immediate protection without any waiting time. This sunscreen is formulated without oxybenzone. It's a great choice for those who prefer to avoid this ingredient. It provides effective protection with a focus on skin health. What we like. This sunscreen boasts SPF 60, offering high-level sun protection. Its lightweight and fast-absorbing formula makes it ideal for everyday use. If you are looking for a sunscreen that is easy to apply and provides powerful antioxidant benefits, you should consider this. What people say. Lightweight texture. Leaves no white cast. Works well under makeup. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Anthelios Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50. This sunscreen offers broad-spectrum SPF 50 protection, shielding your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. It's gentle enough for both face and body, ensuring comprehensive sun defense. The gentle lotion formula is designed for sensitive skin. It's a comfortable and effective way to protect yourself from the sun, without causing irritation. This sunscreen utilizes mineral filters like titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. It's also enriched with antioxidants to help protect your skin from environmental damage. This sunscreen is formulated without oxybenzone and is oil-free. This makes it a great choice for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin, providing sun protection without clogging pores. This versatile sunscreen is suitable for both your face and body. It provides complete sun protection, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. What we like. This sunscreen is a gentle mineral lotion, perfect for sensitive skin. It is formulated without oxybenzone, making it a safe choice. If you have sensitive skin and prefer a mineral-based sunscreen, you should consider this. What people say. The best thing about this sunscreen is I can put it on my eyelids and under my eyes. It doesn't irritate my eyes at all. It protects really well from the sun without feeling greasy. The soft finish is perfect under makeup. Love that it's fragrance-free and works for both face and body. Number 2. Bliss Block Star SPF 30 Tinted Mineral Sunscreen. This is a silky smooth, non-greasy daily sunscreen. It provides invisible and universal finish with a lavender scent. It's designed to protect your skin every day. This vegan sunscreen offers broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection. It shields your skin from the sun's harmful rays, no matter your daily activities. It's powered by natural zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. Plus, it includes a blend of antioxidants like blueberry and acai to nourish your skin. This tinted sunscreen is perfect for all skin tones, without the white cast. It looks completely natural on your skin, providing daily protection. Dot it onto your skin on your nose, cheeks, forehead, chin, and neck. Rub to blend it in thin, buildable layers. Reapply every 2 hours for optimal sun protection. What we like. This tinted sunscreen offers a universal finish, blending seamlessly into any skin tone. It is enriched with an antioxidant blend, providing additional skin benefits. If you like a sunscreen that evens out your skin tone while protecting it, you should consider this. What people say. It is non-sticky and leaves no white cast. The tint blends perfectly with my fair skin and gives just a hint of color. It made my skin tone look very even and like I was wearing a very light coverage foundation. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Anthelios UV Correct SPF 70. This is the Anthelios UV Correct Sunscreen Moisturizer from La Roche-Posay. It's designed for daily use and provides broad-spectrum sun protection. It helps to correct visible signs of aging. This moisturizer works to even skin tone and reduce the appearance of fine lines. It's a great addition to your daily skincare routine. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin. The formula includes SPF 70 for sun protection and niacinamide. Niacinamide helps improve skin texture and tone. This product is a great choice for healthy skin. The product helps to even out skin tone. It also works to minimize the look of fine lines. Use it daily for the best results. This sunscreen is specifically formulated for sensitive skin. It's dermatologist tested and provides effective sun protection. It's a reliable choice for daily sun care. What we like. This sunscreen provides SPF 70 protection, offering superior defense against sun damage. It also has anti-aging properties and helps even out skin tone. If you are looking for a sunscreen that combines high protection with anti-aging benefits, you should consider this. What people say. The SPF 70 offers powerful sun protection, which is essential for preventing sun damage and premature aging. What I love most is how lightweight this sunscreen is. Despite offering high protection, it doesn't feel heavy or greasy on my skin. It absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling soft and moisturized without any white cast. This product doubles as a fantastic daily moisturizer. It keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day, and I love that I can simplify my routine with a sunscreen and moisturizer all in one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.